Hey dudes, and here's how to make square videos with an iPhone. This tutorial is for iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, and newer that runs iOS 13 or newer. So let's start. Open your Settings app, scroll down, then tap Camera, then tap Preserve Settings. Make sure camera mode and creative controls are both turned on so you can record more square videos easier. Up next, open the camera and make sure you go to the photo mode. Then tap the arrow on the top to show the other settings for your camera. Then tap 4:3, tap Square. As you can see, the preview is now square. Tap the arrow again to hide the camera settings. And now we're ready to take a video. As you noticed, it's still on photo mode, but a new feature in iOS 13 and newer is Quick Take Video, in which you just hold the shutter button, then stop, and it records the video. Let's do it again. Hold the shutter button to record the video, then stop holding to stop recording. You can also switch to your front-facing camera. Hey! And just hold the shutter button to record the video, then stop holding the button, stop the recording of the video. Let's go back. And that's it. What's your favorite chicken place?
I don't know.
And that's how to make square videos with an iPhone. So anyways, dudes, I'm Newecreator.
I'm Clay, dude.
And see you later. Bye. I miss Vine.